Hello everyone, Chris here from Profit Squirrel. How are you all doing? Coming to you with another Profit Squirrel vlog. In this short video, what I wanted to do was bring your attention to a really cool offer that I've seen floating about. One that is a really nice, easy way to potentially make profits on horse racing. So it's something that I just wanted to show to you all, and hopefully you can do it. Hopefully you can access it, and hopefully you'll make some good profits with it. So I was kind of in two minds as to whether to make this video or not, because since identifying this offer, it's actually become an invite only offer, and what that means is that not everybody is going to be able to access it. I can't actually access it myself at the moment. However, we're getting reports about 50% of people that have accounts with them are getting this offer. They're able to see it. So with that in mind, I thought let's highlight it, and then you can go into your own account, check out, see if you're eligible for it. So what this offer is, and it looks something like this. I've got a screenshot for you here, and it's basically up to a £25 free bet if your horse wins the race and it's had starting price odds of 4.0 or greater. £25 is the maximum back stake that you can use, but you can of course use less, and I would encourage you to do a lower back stake if you are not normally betting on Betfair Sportsbook. You don't want to just go on there and start whacking £25 bets on every single eligible race, because that will look a little bit weird. Just start slowly, start with £5 per race or something like that, and then build it up over time as you do it. You know, you can build up eventually to the £25. If you're not sure what a starting price favourite is, then lucky you, I've made a video on that recently explaining exactly what that is, so go and check that out. I'm going to link to that in the comments below. As I mentioned, this is a Betfair Sportsbook promotion, so if you want to find out if you're eligible for it, load up your Betfair account here, log in. It's the same login probably that you use for your Betfair exchange, and then you go ahead and you click Sportsbook here, right next to the exchange button, and then you'll click promotions. It's just underneath that, and this will show you all of the current promotions that Betfair are running that you are eligible for. Now if you're eligible for this horse racing offer, then you will see something like this sort of image that I have here. You will see that actually on this screen here, and you'll be able to click in and see all of the final details and go ahead and complete that promotion. Now, as I said, the basic idea of it is that you back a horse that has starting price odds of 4.0 or greater, and then if that horse then goes on to win the race, then essentially you're going to get a free bet equal to whatever it is that you backed to begin with. It's your classic bet X, get Y offer. This offer should be available on all ITV Racing live events. It will clarify on the terms of the offer if you're able to access it. It will clarify exactly which races and when, but I've got this ITV Racing schedule up here. I can link to this as well in the comments below, and essentially this is going to show you all of the ITV events that are coming up. Most of these races, if this offer is available to you, you should be able to go ahead and complete. So a couple of things to be aware of and think of in this offer. If you are not eligible for it, if like me, you go into your promotions section and you can't see this offer anywhere, try checking it out with a partner's account, because as I've mentioned before, partner-friendly bookmakers, Betfair are one of them. They are going to allow your partner or someone else who is over 18 in your household to also have an account with them and to also potentially qualify for promotions and offers. So if your account doesn't have access to it, check out the other account that you may be able to access in your household, and they may be able to get the offer as well. If you haven't checked out the video on partner-friendly bookmakers, also going to link to that below. That's a really useful one, and it's a really easy way to basically double your profits. The cool thing about Betfair Sportsbook is they do offer the best odds guarantee, and essentially what that means is as long as when you backed the horse the odds were 4.0 or greater, no matter what the odds are when the race starts, so say you backed the horse at 5.0, and then when the race starts, when it begins, that horse has odds of 3.0, it's all good. Because of the best odds guarantee at Betfair, you're actually going to see those odds of 5.0 that you originally backed at honoured, so you're still going to qualify for this offer. In terms of actually how you would complete this offer, it's a straight refund if offer. Again, check out the comments below, because I've done a whole guide on how to complete horse racing refund if offers, and once you watch that, this is going to be really, really simple. You're going to understand exactly how to do this. And of course, any questions at all, hit me up in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. So go ahead, check out your Betfair Sportsbook account now, see if you're eligible for this offer. I hope that you are, and I hope that you can go ahead and complete it and make some really, really nice, extra easy profits. Thanks so much for watching as always. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you don't miss out on the latest match betting and money making videos from Profit Squirrel. And hit that like button if you've enjoyed this video, if you found it helpful. Let me know in the comments below if you've completed this offer. Is it showing up for you? Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you in another Profit Squirrel vlog really, really soon. Bye for now.